Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to this update video. I hope you were looking forward to know where I'm going, and this is an epic reveal. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? For 1 month, I'm going to Korea! Woo! I'm going to Seoul for a month. I was thinking of a creative and exciting way to announce where I'm going, but I actually didn't come up with anything, so now it's a little bit awkward. I will be going to Korea for 1 month, and today my plan is to pack. I don't know what is it about packing that's so stressful for me. Maybe it's just my ADHD and it's hard for me to concentrate and focus. And even though I plan everything, I make sure I think about the outfits I'm gonna wear in the moment when I'm packing and putting my clothes. I get so distracted. And you know the thing is, when I wake up in the morning, I have this image of what I want to wear. I know exactly what I'm gonna be wearing. And then if the clothes that I have don't match that image, then I'm just not gonna wear it. And even though I brought it, if I don't feel like wearing it, they're just gonna be lying there. So that is why usually I bring too much. I guess the most important thing that I'm bringing is already packed. And it packed itself. Kurt, you wanna go with me to Korea? No, he doesn't. Bye-bye. In this video though, I wanted to focus on what kind of skincare I usually bring when I travel. When it comes to packing for a long trip like this, you want to make sure you only bring the essentials. I know it might be tempting to bring you a whole makeup and skincare collection, but trust me, you're not gonna use all of it. Another tip is make sure you follow the airline regulations to know how much liquid you can bring, what kind of products you can bring, what sizes. Now let's talk about what I actually pack with me today. For this trip, I will be bringing a gentle cleanser, my hydrating toner, sunscreen for sure, 1000%, moisturizer, few serums, and my favorite lip mask. This is the base of my skincare routine. For this sunscreen, this one is one of my favorite. It leaves an amazing glow on your skin. They say that it's gonna correct your skin tone. That's why the color of the sunscreen is purple-ish. I didn't see the tone correction really, but I can notice every time when I use it, I have really nice glossy finish. I'm running out of mine, that's why I'm bringing two. I'm gonna be walking a lot, so I'll make sure I'm gonna be protected from the sun really well. I think this is one of the best cleansers I've ever had. A lot of cleansers make my skin feel like it's cracking. It feels very, very dry, dehydrated. This one, I feel none of that. I really like that it's low pH as well. Doesn't damage my skin, makes it feel really good. Absolutely love it. Also, not very expensive. What else can we ask for? I have different toners I usually use. Some of them have some acids inside, so my skin peels gently. For this trip, I know I'll be too busy for that. I'm using a very basic hydrating toner. After the toner, I usually apply the moisturizer, and this one is tricky. It took me a while to find one that doesn't clog my pores, but also moisturizes it enough. I stick to Innisfree Cherry Blossom Moisturizer. This one has a jelly texture. It's very cooling, it's very nice, and oh my god, I love how it smells. And so far, I've been using it for 2 months. It does the job done. I really like it, no complaints, honestly. Depending on the time of the day, I also use the serum. In the evenings, I usually use this one, niacinamide. You know what I'm talking about, basically, the ordinary one. This one helps my skin look glowy. By the way, the plane is in 2 days. 2 days, guys. I have 2 days left. Oh my god, so much to finish. And in the morning, I usually use the Glow Recipe Vitamin C Serum. It helps me with my scars or these dark spots that left after my protein allergy or like protein breakouts that I'm healing right now. In the evening, I'm always using the Sleeping Lip Mask. My lips get dry so easily, so this one is the best solution for me, and it's also so yummy and it feels really good, so absolutely love this one. And there you have it. This is my skincare essentials. By the way, let me know what your must-haves are for the skincare when you travel. Maybe I missed something. I know this video is kind of chaotic because you can tell my brain is a mess right now. I'm so anxious and so excited at the same time. I have so many thoughts going on. Try to think about all the finances and like all the small things, and it's so overwhelming. Ugh. But anyway, thank you so much for sticking around. Now you know that I'm going to Korea for a month. I'm very, very excited. I'm gonna share everything with you. All the small details. It's gonna be a very long trip and I can't wait to share it with you. So I'm very grateful to everybody who's sticking around and watching my life content. I hope it's interesting watching me struggle and then do things. So I really appreciate every one of you. And as usual, I'm signing off. Bye!